I know the lighting probably not that great, but ask me, do I care? I got a new house. I got a new home. I ain't gotta pay no rent. I got a tent. I ain't never had no tent. I ain't never had that. Okay, so what that mean like? So, I used to think that when I get a house and land, property, like there will be sons. I ain't gonna say too much. But if I feel like, if I make this site over a tent, you know how hard it might be for me to be quiet? It ain't Sunday, but the sun come up every day. You want me to preach, you want me to teach? You know you talk about them blessings? Like you just can't keep quiet? Okay. The instructions. Okay, the instructions are attached to the, no they're not. That's just the what's called. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Verify contents. Where's step one? Oh, step one is verify the contents. Okay, look. I'm not sure if you know, but on iOS, on the iPhone, you hit record, but there's also a pause on the side. I'm gonna hit that pause button real quick. I'm gonna see if I can put the shit together, kind of, sort of, and then, yeah. First, we had to verify everything. Tent stakes. Fiberglass poles. Tablet pocket. A rain fly. And a tent. Step 2, assemble the poles. Alright, so I definitely skipped the step because I'm the only one doing this. I'm doing it for myself. But you take these. Well, the step that I skipped was staking it into the ground. I don't really care about that right now. But the main two, it has two main D's, like whatever this little pole thing is, and they cross at the center. So I put one in, and now I'm putting the other one across. All right, so it's up now. It's looking pretty good. Now we're gonna put the rain fly on. No address and no salad dressing, but I'm about to dress up my house. It ain't a fashion show, but you know, I might get creative. I might start, you know what I'm saying? I might write graffiti jungle. I might say welcome. I might say come on in. Nah, I'm definitely skipping the rest of the steps. I do want to say come on in and welcome to the graffiti jungle. It's almost time for dinner. All right, excuse my whatchamacallit. It definitely rained today, and after it rained, sun came out. What's for dinner? We got that chicken sausage gumbo. Pour a little out for Bailee, and always remembrance. I wish she was here. But you gotta have a bev. So when we do this, we doing this, like, you got some tea. Or, I don't know how you feeling. You got anything else? We got another bev? We got anything else? Oh, no GTA 6, but somebody at Rockstar is playing Grand Theft Auto 6 right now. I just want you to be aware. Now my glasses fogging up. All right, one time for the one time. This is the fake Rockstar. Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Let me say it so. Welcome to the graffiti jungle. Allo Pulingue. Benvenuti nella giungla dei graffiti. This is the fake rockstar chat show. And of course, podcast. Io sono il tuo capo. No Pablo Picasso. Salvador Dali. Benito Mussolini. Chief Jahara. Ciao a tutti.